2.5 years Congress led government. Now government become two party now. One Siddaramaiah party, one DK party. DK is sleeping in the house. Siddaramaiah is controlling the MLAs and ministers. Damki for all MLAs and ministers. Why you are went to Delhi? What is the reason? This is happening in Karnataka. 2.5 years celebration, there is no development celebration. Only divide. Congress party is divided now. The government is divided now.
Sir, MLAs have reached already Delhi, the one faction leaders. Other side, other MLAs are saying we are intact with the government. Do you think this government is stable or this chair fight is going on?
Who elected Siddaramaiah 2.5 years back? Same MLA saying remove Siddaramaiah. That complaint given to Karge. Yesterday also, many MLAs went to Karge house. They told remove Siddaramaiah. This is happening in Karnataka. I think this situation, Siddaramaiah has no majority now. So that's why you have to resign. You have to resign. Once again, you have to take the opinion from the MLAs. Otherwise, he is a one-party MLA, not all combined Congress party MLA. Is not a Congress all MLAs. Is a one group MLA, one fraction MLA.
Congress is crumbling, sir.
100%. I think Congress within 15 days or 1 month it will be divided because war is reaching peak now, very peak now. Openly the MLAs went to Delhi to remove Siddaramaiah means it is a peak in the government.
How you rate this government 2.5 years, sir?
So zero. There is no development. Muda scandal, Valmiki scandal, more than 2,000 suicides, farmers suicides. Newborn babies are more than 1,500 newborn babies are they lost their life. There is no law and order. Bangalore become a garbage city, pothole city. Now it is become Darode, robbery city.
Sir, yesterday during the Bengaluru Tech Summit, Subhanshu Shukla has in fact said that it is easy for them to come from space to Bangalore, but
Not from Marthalli to
not
DTPS.
from
The traffic issue he was highlighting, sir.
Yes, पक्का इसमें doubt क्या है? What he says, it is correct. If you can come to Marthalli to Bangalore, it's take easy to go to space and come to land. It is easy. And one more lady last month he given the social media. His husband went to Dubai. He dropped in the Bangalore airport. So he reached Dubai, but she is not reached Marthalli. That is the thing. Because wherever you go, pothole.
Sir, this
Wherever you go, pothole, garbage. How can people travel? How can BMTC travel?
sir, is
How
this
do you
puzzle?
rate-
Is
how
this
do you
puzzle?
rate this government in this 2.5 years?
रेट
Rate.
इसमें रेट देने के लिए क्या है? उधर माल भी नहीं है, क्या भी नहीं है, जीरो है, माइनस
Leader of
Sir, how do you
opposition,
see
role
DK
of
Suresh's statement? He said that CM will keep his promise.
Yeah,
How do you see his statement?
I am telling na, last 1 year telling na, the 2.5 years formula is there. What DK Suresh says, he is confirming that.
sir.
Siddaramaiah have to give Vachana Brashta, not Vachana Brashta. Give the power to DK. That is it intention. Many MLAs are going to Delhi because stops Siddaramaiah to continue.
Sir, though it's a Congress internal matter, but what will be the role of BJP? BJP will do in
We are preparing for the election. We are not forming any government. We are preparing for the election. because people don't want this Congress government. There is no development, nothing. It's a failed government. Siddaramaiah is just like a sleeping Siddaramaiah. So people wants change in Karnataka. The BJP also preparing for the election. You saw the Bihar election.